Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ava's Vlog with Less with me, Avanita. In my video today, I'm just going to do a quick DIY on a display sign of our love story. So I have 4 frames here, and what I do, I put them into the position that I want them to be in, and then I just hot glue them. Guys, I just want to say thank you so much for coming back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and like, comment and share. And to my returning subscribers, guys, thank you so much for checking out my video with me. I do appreciate your support, so thank you guys so much. I went ahead and just holding the frames with some lollipop sticks at the back, just to keep the glue in place until it dry, because I will be using the frames again. This is just an idea that I want to show you guys that maybe I'll use at our wedding engagement reception or the wedding reception. So this is just an idea. While I was doing this, I've learned a lot of things that I could have done better or that I can do better. So from there, I went in with my foam board. I cut down the foam board to fit into the gap between the frames. Obviously, one of the frame is too far down, but as I said, this is just a guide just to give me ideas on what to do and how to go about doing them and not making these kind of mistakes that I've done here. But anyway, it turned out really nice. So guys, just stick with me till the end. I attached the foam board with some glue just to keep it in place. I went ahead and canvas and then designed these printouts that I have of me and Gabo, you know, of our love story, and then I just add some photos with it. I went in with some flowers. These are just some cream, green, I think they're called, I'm not really sure what they're called anymore. Yeah, but I just went in with some green and some cream and lilac. Yeah, and I just kind of just put the flowers as to how I would like them. I didn't put them in any particular way, as you will see, and just fluff them around with my hand, and then you'll see what everything looks like. I really like the way how it turned out. It's a really quick idea to give you on something to do even for a baby shower, a christening, anything basically that you want to, you know, to stand out. I think it's a really simple and easy decor which can achieve in less than an hour or even less, because this took me, the longest part of it is basically just to print out the prints, because it does take time to get it right. And as you can see from the table, I had a few other prints out because I wasn't sure of some of them, and also I would change, definitely I'll get photo papers, because these are matte printed paper that I have. This is not the gloss paper, so definitely, as I said, these are things that I would change. And also I plan on getting a Cricut because I want to do a different kind of design. I mean, this is just on the paper, or I want to do it on the Cricut where you can, you know, pick it out and put it on. But anyway, this is how it turns out, and I really like it. It's a little bit wonky with the bead that I put on it, but for the wedding or engagement reception, I plan to put it on like a tray. No, it's not a tray. So I plan to put it on like a stool or something just to hold it in place. I will be putting on a few more stuff onto it, but as you can see, I just went out and did like our love story, like what happened, you know, when we met, you know, first kiss, when he asked me, and what I did. And then obviously I haven't put when we're getting married, but I will share that with you guys at a later date. So guys, let me know what you think about my quick DIY video. Comment below and let me know what you think. So guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you again on Wednesday. Guys, thank you. Bye bye.